Hello friends, I am Biswas and you are watching my YouTube channel. One of my viewers has commented me that he is having fixed gear in his bicycle and it's not working. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to service a single speed freewheel which is not working. First of all, we will turn the bicycle upside down. Then we will open both sides nut of rear wheel with 14-15 open spanner. Now we will take out the chain, loosen the brakes, take the brake up, and now we will take out the wheel outside. Now the wheel is out here. If the freewheel's teeth has been old, we will replace this freewheel with a new one. But in this case, the freewheel's teeth are in good condition, so we are not going to replace the freewheel. Now as we can see, here are two slots on the freewheel. Now we will open this plate, this one. We can see this arrow. We have to rotate this plate in the direction of this arrow to open it. Means we have to rotate this plate in clockwise direction. So now we will take a pointed pin and hammer to open the plate. Generally we use a pointed punch to open the plate, but as I am not having the punch, I will use this pointed file to open. Now I will place the pointed end of the file in the slot and hammer it in the clockwise direction to open the plate. So friends, now the freewheel plate is loose. We will take it out. See here, I have opened the freewheel plate. After taking out the plate, we will take out the washers over here. See here are three washers. This is one. We will take out the washer carefully. This is two. And this is three. Here are three washers. Friends, first we will take everything out from here. Clean every part properly and then place it. First, let us take out everything in a cloth. We will take a cloth, keep it over here and turn the wheel upside down so that everything comes in the cloth. So we have taken out the freewheel kit and now we will clean the bearings and every part. In lot of freewheels we will find dust, cloth, hair, but as this bicycle is not used too much, the freewheel is in good condition. So now we will clean this part with cloth. So we will clean this properly with cloth. As there is not too much dirt over here, but still we will clean it. So friends, let us first clean all the parts properly, then I will explain the parts. We will clean the washers properly and very carefully because as they are very soft, they can break. So we will clean this very carefully so that they don't break. Now I have cleaned the washers. In some freewheels there can be 4 washers also. Now I will clean the freewheel plate. Now we will clean the freewheel kit. We will clean the teeth properly. We will clean both the sides of the freewheel kit. See here. The teeth of the freewheel kit are in good condition. In some freewheels, only steel balls are used here, both the sides. But in this freewheel, see here, iron pieces are used like this, and steel ball also. Iron piece is used, this type of part, and steel ball. Again iron piece and again steel ball. We can clean the freewheel kit with help of kerosene or diesel also, but as it was not too much dirty, so I have cleaned it with cloth. So friends, you can see these two parts in my hand. These are known as freewheel catcher. After long use, the freewheel catcher's fine linings get old and it becomes plain. due to which there is play in free wheel. Here the free wheel catcher is still okay. Now friends, you can see two springs in my hand. In some free wheels there is spring putty, but in this free wheel spring is used. If the spring's hardness goes away, then the free wheel moves both sides. If the spring is loose, the free wheel catcher doesn't work properly and the free wheel rotates both sides. If the steel balls are old, we will place new steel balls. The steel ball size is 1/8 inches, and in this packet here are 280 pieces, and the price is rupees 16. This is too old. Now the price is a bit more. It is 50 or 60 rupees. Friends, suppose the catcher is okay, but the spring is spoiled. Spoiled means it is loose, it is not working. So friends, you can see we won't get this type of small spring anywhere. So we will repair this loose spring. So how will I repair this spring? I will explain it while repairing. Friends, now we will grease the free wheel kit in this way. Don't over grease it lightly. See, in this way. We will grease both the sides of the free wheel kit. Now we will place the steel pieces and the steel balls properly on both the sides. One steel piece, one steel ball, again one steel piece, again one steel ball, like this. Friends, you can see I have placed the steel balls and the steel pieces of one side. In this way we will also place the other side also. So friends, if in your free wheel you are having only steel balls, you place all the steel balls both the sides. Now friends, the free wheel kit is ready. Now we will apply grease on this portion also, here on the free wheel. Now friends, we will put this free wheel catcher on one side in this way. See here. We will place the other side free wheel catcher in this way. See here. Now we have placed both the free wheel catchers on both the sides. Now we will place the spring in this way on one side. Now we will place the other spring on the other side. Now you can see that when we press the free wheel catcher, the spring pushes it back. See here, the spring is pushing it back. So in this way the spring pushes back. If the spring is loose, it will not push back properly. Friends, if the spring is not working properly, we will check the spring. We will take a wall tube, insert it inside the spring and cut it from here with the help of a scissor. Now we will stick the tube in this way. See here. Now we will place the tube in the spring in this way. Now you can see I have placed the tube in the spring. See, in this way. So you can press it. In the same way we will place the rubber tube in the other spring also. Now we will place the springs on both the sides. Now you can see the free wheel kit and also the inner side teeth. See how we will place the inner side teeth of the free wheel. You can see the free wheel catches, this part is facing this way. Free wheel's teeth should be facing this side, means opposite. So we will place the free wheel kit in this way. You can see the sound is coming. I have placed the tube. See here, it's working properly. It's releasing. And if it is not fitting properly, we can take the help of a screwdriver. We can press the catcher and then place the freewheel properly. So friends, now when I am rotating this freewheel kit, it rotates. See here. And when I am rotating opposite, the catcher catches the teeth and we can't rotate it. It stops. It means the freewheel is okay. This way we can repair our single speed fixed freewheel. Now we will place the 3 washers over here. 1, 2 and 3. Now I will tighten the freewheel plate in anti-clockwise direction. We will tighten the freewheel plate with the help of pin and hammer. We will tighten it in anti-clockwise direction. So now friends, you can see I have tightened it properly. So now friends, you can see the sound, how the spring is working. Now the freewheel is working properly. See, and see the sound. Now we will put some engine oil. We will oil the freewheel properly. Now the spring is working fine. So friends, we are done now. We have repaired a loose spring. So friends, I hope you understood how to repair a single speed freewheel. So friends, if you think this video was helpful to you, do like the video. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. And at the same time, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification first. So let's meet in the next video. Bye and thanks for watching.